Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Girls Drawing Kits is probably one of the most exciting gifts for young artists, sparking creativity and fostering a love for art. In this video, we will review the top-rated drawing kits designed specifically for girls aged 8 to 12, focusing on factors like the quality of materials, the variety of art supplies included, and the overall value for money, helping you choose the perfect kit to nurture your young artist's talent. Number 5. Art 101 142 PC Art Set. This comprehensive art set has everything you need to express your creativity. It's perfect for beginners and experienced artists alike. Experience the vibrant colors and smooth blending of our 24 premium colored pencils. They're ideal for detailed work and shading. It includes crayons, oil pastels, and watercolors, giving you a wide range of artistic possibilities to explore different techniques. The wooden case keeps all your art supplies organized and protected, making it easy to take your creativity anywhere. With 142 pieces, it's a complete art set that offers endless opportunities for artistic exploration and self-expression. For 13 years, Art 101 has been providing high-quality art supplies at affordable prices. It's time to unleash your creativity. What we like? It has a wide variety of art supplies, including colored pencils, crayons, and watercolors. If you are looking for a comprehensive set with high-quality colored pencils for blending and shading, this is the one for you. This kit is perfect for budding artists who want to explore different art forms. What people say. The set has all that little kid needs and does not have all that you would not put yourself in it. I especially appreciate the fact that it does not have acrylic included, as this makes it safe for younger kids. All very good quality, well balancing in hand and very good vibrant colors. The variety of art supplies is impressive, and the wooden case keeps everything organized. Number 4. Sunnyglade 145-piece art set. Introducing the Sunnyglade 145-piece deluxe art set. It's a comprehensive collection of art supplies, perfect for artists of all levels. This art set boasts a beautiful wooden case with a removable drawer for easy organization. It's sturdy, protective, and keeps everything neatly in place. It's designed with safety in mind. All materials are non-toxic and conform to ASTM D4236 safety standards, making it perfect for both kids and adults. With crayons, colored pencils, oil pastels, watercolors, and more, it has everything you need for any artistic project. It's truly a versatile set. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, this set provides the tools to express your creativity. It's ideal for travel and on-the-go artistic adventures. This amazing set includes 60 crayons, 24 colored pencils, 24 oil pastels, 24 watercolor cakes, and many more essential art supplies. Everything is neatly organized in its own wooden box. What we like? This art set comes in a beautiful wooden case for easy storage and portability. If you prioritize safety and convenience, this is a great option. It's ideal for young artists who are just starting out and want a well-organized kit for travel or at-home use. What people say. The wooden box the art supplies came in was a very good quality. All the drawing pieces were in good condition. Nothing was broken. The Sunnyglade 145-piece deluxe art set is a fantastic choice for artists of all levels. The wooden box is sturdy and well organized, containing crayons, oil pastels, and other essentials. The variety of materials inspires creativity and the quality is impressive. The art equipment seems good. I've used the pencils to color the picture of a deer that they included with the set. I used the crayons to color the fantasy jellyfish. There are multiples of each color. Number 3. Sunnyglade 185-piece art set. This comprehensive art set has everything you need to create beautiful artwork. It's perfect for budding artists of all ages. From oil pastels to watercolors, it includes a wide variety of art materials. You'll have everything at your fingertips. The built-in easel and portable case make it easy to take it anywhere. It keeps all your supplies neatly organized. It's made with non-toxic, eco-friendly materials, so you can create with peace of mind. It's safe for children to use. It's ideal for travel and keeping little ones entertained. It's also great for showcasing your artistic talent. This amazing set includes oil pastels, crayons, colored pencils, watercolors, and so much more. Everything you need to start creating. What we like. It features a built-in easel for easy on-the-go art creation. If you need a portable and versatile art kit with a wide array of supplies, this is a perfect choice. It's great for kids who love to draw and paint anywhere, anytime. What people say. This set was bigger than I thought and had everything, even including some papers. It was well packaged and perfect for art lovers. This art drawing set is great, especially for kids just starting to explore drawing. It has everything needed to get them going, and the tools are easy to use. It's portable, the quality is great. Very sturdy, lots of variation of coloring utensils, crayons, chalk, pencils. Just a really fun for any child who likes to draw or paint. Number 2. iBayam Art Kit. It's time to get creative with this comprehensive art kit. Everything you need to draw, paint, and color is right here, ready for your imagination to take flight. This portable case holds a double-sided easel, sketchbook, coloring book, and a wide variety of art supplies. It's perfect for creating anywhere, anytime. With oil pastels, crayons, colored pencils, scratch paper, and more, it has everything a young artist could need to explore their creativity. There are even watercolors and brushes. It's made with high-quality, non-toxic materials, ensuring safe and enjoyable art experiences for everyone. Let the fun begin. This art kit makes a wonderful gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's sure to inspire creativity and bring hours of fun. We stand behind the quality of our products. If you have any issues, please contact us, and we'll be happy to help. What we like. This kit boasts a huge number of art supplies and a convenient trifold easel. If you want an all-in-one kit with everything you need to start creating, this is it. It's perfect for kids who love to experiment with different art techniques and have a lot of fun. What people say. This 251-piece set is well organized and includes everything needed for a range of artistic activities, colored pencils, markers, crayons, oil pastels, watercolors, and more. The variety is incredible, and each tool works well, with vibrant colors that really pop on the page. The carrying case is sturdy and keeps everything neatly in place, making it easy to take along on trips or even just around the house. This was a gift for a young artist. It was perfect, all the content was good quality and had great color varieties. The case was easy for her to open and close and was durable enough that it didn't fall apart after a few uses. Number 1. National Geographic Mega Arts Kit. Unleash your child's creativity with this amazing 3-in-1 craft kit. It's packed with over 100 components to create 19 unique pieces of art. Create 3 dazzling mosaic works of art. Use your imagination or follow the templates for inspiration. It's fun and easy. Make beautiful marbled paint designs and transfer them to the included sheets for framing and displaying. These make great gifts too. Craft 4 nature-themed pottery pieces, ornaments, and a ring dish. Paints and brushes are included to personalize your creations. We use only the highest quality materials. If you have any issues, our exceptional customer service will make things right. What we like. This kit offers a unique combination of mosaic, marbling, and air-dry clay activities. If you are looking for a kit that provides diverse creative experiences, this is the best choice. It's perfect for kids who enjoy hands-on projects and want to explore different art forms. What people say. My granddaughter, age 9, and I thoroughly enjoyed working together on our craft together. Mega set has so many options. Great gift for kids. My niece loved it. She's about 8 and she enjoyed all the activities. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.